Hey, right, a very good morning to you all. I hope we're all good. It is Friday, it's the 9th of June 2023, and I'm here to bring a look at the weather for Southeast England for today, but also a look at the all important weekend. Well, if you step outside today, there is a subtle change. It is a little bit warmer, 14.1 degrees, but with regard to the cloud, it is pretty much the same as it has been for the last few days. Still a little bit of patchy cloud has moved in from the North Sea overnight, but closer to the south coast it is sunny. And as with previous days, this sunshine will soon develop, so much so that we'll be in unbroken sunshine probably by late morning today. As I've mentioned, there is a change underway, and this can be seen with the current maximum temperatures. If you may have noticed, over the last few days, we've been seeing temperatures typically in the range of 12 or 13 degrees, but this morning, 18.2 is being received at Valentia Observatory in Southern Ireland, and other stations in the far southwest are now picking up, all in accordance with the plan. So this is the facts chart, and if you notice, a few days ago we were looking at this sort of disturbance down over Spain. What's happened now is this warmer, more humid air has now started to move towards the UK, but with it you'll see that there are a few fronts, and these are the showers from over the course of the weekend. But I'm going to come on to this because it's quite possible that most of these showers over the weekend are going to stay out of the way for Southeast England. It's potentially looking really quite pleasant, but yeah, the devil will be in the detail. But let's get back to the here and now. As I've mentioned, there is some cloud around, perhaps not quite as extensive as it was the last preceding 2 or 3 mornings. This is Broad Street in Oxford this morning. Already there's blue sky starting to punch through that stratocumulus layer, and this is down at Southend on Sea again. Sort of, you can see blue sky starting to pierce through that low level stratus that's moved in off the North Sea overnight. So this is the satellite imagery at the moment, and I'll just run the sequence through to show just how quickly this is going to burn off today. So this is the here and now at 7 o'clock. This is 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. So by 11 o'clock, as I mentioned, it's all cleared and the sun will shine and the temperatures will respond very well today. So we just run through the symbols. This is at 8 o'clock. This is at 9, 10, 11, midday. And then the rest of the day is set fair with plenty of sunshine, and temperatures are on the up. So these are your maximum temperatures today. Notice how we've lost those 13s and 14s from the eastern coast. You're going to receive 19 degrees today. That's going to feel very pleasant. But look down towards the south coast. You've had the lion's share of the sunshine and the warmth in recent days, but today, yeah, no exception. 27 degrees possibly on offer for Brighton, Chichester, down towards the Isle of Wight. So yeah, breezes now coming in from the east-southeast rather than that cool northeasterly direction. And overnight, temperatures are going to feel warm. So in the morning, you're going to step up and wake up and feel like you're on holiday. These are your temperatures when we get up in the morning at 7 o'clock, already up to 18 and 19 degrees. Ahead of a very warm day tomorrow. I'll just come on to those temperatures in just a moment. So we're now just going to take a look at the weekend's shower potential. So if you remember, we looked at this a couple of days ago. GFS was painting a very, very showery picture. ECM was a kind of a halfway house, and Icon was dry. Now, it's still running along those thoughts. The GFS is the more showery of the 3 models, but they're nowhere near as showery as they were. And the ECM is a bit of a halfway house. So I'm going to show you, I think this is where we should be thinking the weekend weather will go. So today we are dry, as we've mentioned, clear, plenty of sunny skies. But this is tomorrow morning. This is by midday tomorrow. So notice how you're starting to bring some showers up across southwest England over towards sort of the Bristol area. But to all intents and purposes, tomorrow they do stay out of the way. There might be the odd isolated shower for a time anywhere tomorrow afternoon, but yeah, they will clear out the way. So this is the way it's looking. They'll clear away tomorrow evening and overnight, and then as we move into Sunday, perhaps another pulse of showers moving up across the English Channel, more to the western part of our region. But again, they stay further west. So apart from perhaps again a few sharp showers around the middle part of the day, more especially to the west of London, they will die out the way. It is looking dry, mainly dry, I should say, mainly sunny, and those temperatures much, much warmer. So I'm going to take a look at these temperatures. These are your projected maximum temperatures tomorrow. So 23 on the coasts, as high as 28, possibly 29 degrees inland. And these are your temperatures on Sunday. Once again, 23 to 26 widely, potentially 28 to 30 inland. So that's it in summary. Summer arrives this weekend. We finally lose this cool northeasterly breeze. It dies down. It becomes very warm over the weekend. Plenty of sunny skies. The risk of the odd isolated heavy shower or thunderstorm. But I think you're going to be unlucky if you get under one of them, and they're not going to be too persistent. So hope you've all found the forecast useful. I'll be back tomorrow morning taking a look at the weekend forecast in perhaps a little bit more detail. In the meantime, all have a lovely day. Thanks for watching, and ciao for now.